Hello, I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about how to participate in a tweet chat. Now, Twitter needs very little introduction to you, and I assume that when you're watching this you've already got a Twitter account, so I won't go into those sort of details. But I want to talk a little bit about how to take part in a chat on Twitter, a so-called tweet chat. Now, a tweet chat is very much based around the use of the hashtag. And as you can see by the illustration, that's what the hashtag is. When you decide to have a tweet chat, you'll be given the name of the chat, the name of the group, which is normally the hashtag symbol with the name of the group afterwards. For example, Eden Chat, LTHE Chat, or the name of a course you're participating in. The organizers will tell you that this is the hashtag we'll be using. These sort of hashtags can be made up by anybody at any time, and actually you need to check to make sure that no one else is using that hashtag, because then there can be confusion. But it's really, there's no regulation on what you can use as a hashtag. Some are permanent groups, and the hashtag is like a group that you can join and be part of every day, all week, all year. It can be part of a conference, so it'll be the hashtag with the name of the conference, and that'll be used during a conference for discussion and comments. Also for campaigns, political movements, etc., they'll use hashtags. So let's have a look at how it all works in Twitter itself. If we go to Twitter, if I just log in twitter.com, I'll end up at my own Twitter page automatically, so I can't show you what it looks like to log in because I'm logged in, and this is a Twitter flow. This is my Twitter flow of all the people I follow, which is rather a lot, and it just sort of keeps updating all the time. And you have the details about yourself here and so on. Now, to follow a tweet chat, you go to the search and you put in the hashtag, and you maybe put in something that you know you want to follow. I'll put in a course that I'm running at the moment. And when you click, there you get everything that is tagged with the name of this course, and you'll see it there and there and there. So anyone who writes a tweet and tags it with the name of the course or the name of the tweet chat will turn up in this flow. So that before you start a tweet chat, it maybe starts at 8 o'clock in the evening, you go into Twitter, put in the name of the tweet chat, and you'll see it there. If you want to contribute to the tweet chat, you go to Tweet, and it automatically has the hashtag that I want. So I'll write, hello everyone, and I just tweet it, and that comes into the flow. So it's as simple as that. That's how you contribute. Use the hashtag, it's automatic in this case, and you write your message, you write an answer to a question, and in it goes into the flow. We'll just take this away because I don't want to contribute to this. So you'll see that the tweet chat will develop as time goes on. Now, if I want to answer one particular person in the tweet chat, I can print reply, and there is the name of the person I'm replying to, and I can write I agree, and then I'll have to write the name of the chat. So I have to put the hashtag. If I don't put the hashtag, I will be replying to only that person, and the rest will not see my reply. You have to put in the hashtag. I say that again and again. That's the important bit. Otherwise, you're not in the chat. You're invisible. Okay, so we take that away. You might want to retweet if you see something that you thought was excellent. This is wonderful, I say. I'm retweeting myself, actually. I can't do that, so I'll retweet this. If I retweet that, here's something that I want to retweet, and here I can add a comment. And it's already got the hashtag, so that's fine. It'll turn up there, but I can put the hashtag in for good measure here, and then I'll write my comment, I agree, or I think this is wonderful, or I don't agree, or something like that. Okay, and then press the retweet button. So those are, you can also, if you see a tweet that you think is wonderful, you can like it by pressing the heart. And the person who's made that tweet will be very happy that you've liked it. It's a way of showing appreciation. Another way of using Twitter is using an application like Tweetdeck. Tweetdeck.twitter.com, and here you can organize. I find this much more easy to use. Here's my home. This is the flow. This is all the stuff that's going through at the moment from all the people I follow. I look at that now and again. Here I can have permanently the chats. Here's one chat, Eden Chat. Here's one that I follow quite often, and these are the latest posts in it, and I can go back to the last chat and I can see some of the comments. And the principle here is the same. I can reply, I can retweet, and I can like. And I can see a comment in the chat that I thought was very interesting, and I will reply to that. Sometimes in a tweet chat you'll see questions. So in this tweet chat, here's question number 8, here's the hashtag, and here's the question. So when I'm replying to that, I can either use the reply button or I can go up and write my tweet, and I could write Q8 to show which question I'm replying to, though many people will write A8 to show answer to question 8, and then I'll write my reply. And then I'll put hashtag Eden Chat. It's all ready to go, and I just click and send it. Tweet chats go fast. Be prepared. It's fast and furious. It's a little bit anarchic. The conversation jumps about because it just comes in sequence of who answers first. So you might see an answer to question 7, and then an answer to question 8, and then you might see an answer to question 1 and question 6. You know, they all roll in. It's pretty chaotic. At the end, most tweet chats manage to present a summary of what's gone on, and they'll normally do that in an application, a tool like Storify, and then you'll get the whole thing, and you can go back and check some of check what's been said, check some of the good links that come up. It's very often in tweet chats that people provide links to interesting related topics. So that's really how to take part in a tweet chat. So good luck and good tweeting.